Now that our shipment has been sent, we can go ahead and prepare the invoice. Once our invoice has been prepared, we can send that invoice directly to the customer. We can either do it through our actions of email invoice, or we can go to the reports and we can look at what that copy of that invoice is. You'll notice on this invoice that I've added our logo here. That was a matter of a simple click. Now that we have this invoice ready to go, we can hit send, and it will email that invoice directly to the customer. This information is all brought over automatically from the customer information screen. Once we hit send, we can go back to the invoice, and you will notice in the activities, we now have an activity where the invoice has been sent. Now that this invoice is completed, we can release it, and it is now done.